డేటాబేస్ కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నారు. డేటాబేస్ so see observe here. So first what is your base name? Base name also 6
Dash 5.
dash number 5, right? Number 4 field to income. What is the username of this
System.
system? System. Okay. ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు, ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, వేర్ ఇస్ అవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, నెట్ బీన్స్ హెచ్ఎంఎస్, రైట్? నెట్ బీన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో హెచ్ఎంఎస్ అని ఉంది. జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఓపెన్. ఓకే, ప్రాజెక్ట్ కేమ్. దెన్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారు, రిజాల్వ్ రిఫరెన్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఓజెడ్విసి 14 వేర్ ఈజ్ దట్, జెడ్విసి జార్స్ నెట్ బీన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ జెడ్విసి జార్స్ ఓజెడ్విసి 14_jar. ఓకే, క్లోజ్. Now it's gone. Okay, so initially there was one error, now it's no error. So next, what is your next step? What is your database name? Okay, you have to create one user. So how to, here come here. So what is your database name? It will give the database name. Here your database name is hospital. Okay, create one hospital database user here. How to create user? Database user, create user. Okay, first hospital. What is your password? Hospital. What is your confirm password? Hospital. Click DBA. Check all. Create. Boys watching. See, if you are at the time of explanation you are out of stage, then after completion sir you are not understanding, extremely sorry. The time of explanation also if you mere అర్థం చేసుకొని నేనేం చేయాలి, Control V. What is my hospital? So now check, is there any tables? There are no tables, right? How to load tables? See here, this is my project. Here one dump file is there, right? Simply click here cmd. Okay, cmd and write down one command emp. What is my database name? Hospital. And here also my database name is hospital. Full equals to y, file equals to hospital.dmp. Okay, this command is very useful. Import hospital, username, password hospital, full equals to y, file equals to hospital.dmp. Then click enter. Okay, all imported, all files imported. Now come here. Now check how many tables are there. No tables. Click refresh, all tables came. Okay, now just go go to your application, just click on run. See, hospital came, right? So here login, patient, doctor. Who will log in here? Here login is 3 types. One is admin, doctor, patient. Okay, then what is this patient? Here is patient is nothing but registration. Okay, what is doctor here? Doctor, registration. Here login is common for all. Okay, so first what I will do, first I will log in with admin. What I have to select? admin login. So admin login successful, right? Then admin home, view patients. If you click view patients, you will view all the patients. So I want to remove this all patients. Remove patient removed successfully. Remove patient removed successfully. Similarly, search patient. Suppose see here, what is my patient name? Akila. Huh? So I will search here Akhila. Akila. Simple search. You will find the details. Patient headache, mobile number, Hanmakonda. Okay. Similarly, view doctors. You can view the doctors also. Similarly, you can remove the doctor also. Okay. Suppose I want to DOC. Search DOC. You will get the details of the DOC. Okay. Search. This is the DOC. Understood? Doctor module. Sorry, admin module. Yes. Now come out, log out here, and come here. Click here to log in again. So log in. Okay. Now patient. So register. Tell me one patient name. Suppose I am registering my name. Allo. Disease. Suppose fever. Okay. Patient ID is 123. Patient password is also 123. Confirm password 123. Date of birth. Suppose 15. Suppose mail. Okay. allo@gmail.com. Mobile. Okay. Address is Hyderabad. So register. So paste invalid phone number. Okay. So 986456. Double. Okay. Now click register. Registration success. Now I can log in. Okay. Log in. What is my ID? Username LLU. What is my password? 123. So what is my type? Patient. Login. So login successful. So what I can do here? Patient home, message to doctor, doctor message, prescription, doctor details. So you can message. What is the date? See, you always select this page in Google Chrome so that you will find more what effective. See, now it's coming date. There you have to enter manual, right? Here you have to select direct. What is my patient name? ALLU. What is message? Hi sir, I am getting fever. Okay. After using of your medicine. Okay. Simple like this. Submit. So message sent successfully. To whom I send that message? Doctor. Open. Hey! Open doctor module also here. Okay. Log out. So here login. Click here to login again. So I have to register one doctor. Suppose I am register one doctor with name Raj. ID is 321. Password is 321. Confirm password 321. Date of birth. Doctor date of birth. Then mail. Then raj@gmail.com. Okay. Mobile. Okay. Address, some address. Specialist. Suppose eye specialist. Register. So doctor registration success. Now never. And come here. What is my username? Raj. What is my password? 321. What is type? Doctor. Login. Then after login, what can I do? First, patient message. Just type message, right? Okay. Reply here. Okay. Doctor name. What is my name? Raj. Now what is my message? I want to. Okay. Okay. Change medicine. Okay. Change medicine. I am sent. So. Okay. I should select date, right? Submit. So when you send submit, come here. So this is my patient, right? I message to doctor. Now I will see view doctor message. See what doctor change. Dr. Raj. Okay, change medicine. Understood? Is giving that medicine. Now what you can do? You can view prescription. See, there are so many prescriptions, but whose prescription I want? I want to view my prescription, right? So here what you have to do? First you have to prescription. Date. So date is 12. What is my patient name? ALLU. Because many patients are coming, right? What is the what he came? Fever. Medicine. Suppose Dolo 500. Okay. Doctor sign. Doctor sign. Signature. Raj. Okay, you can update. Okay, prescription updated. Now you come here and just reload. Understood? Patient name Allu, fever, Raj, doctor. Okay. Similarly, doctor details. If you want to view the doctor details, mobile, this all things. Okay. Prescription. If you want to contact this mobile number. Understood, everyone? Understood? That's about the project. Now, what is your task? Just go and check this all things. Okay. Here the tables also there. What is your database name? What is your database name?